Hi, I'm Kiara. Today I came to explain something that completely blows my mind. And honestly, don't have many people to talk about it with. The connection between the Double-Slit Experiment and a Schrödinger cat. Let's start from the beginning. Before we talk about quantum physics, we need one idea. Diffraction. Wait, you don't know what diffraction is? Yeah, let's pause here.
Diffraction happens when a wave spreads out and interferes with itself. After passing through very small structures, light is a wave. A city has thousands of microscopic globes. When white light hits it, the light doesn't reflect altogether. It spreads, bends, and interferes with itself, creating this rainbow pattern. That pattern is diffraction.
Perfect. Now we are ready. In 18,001, an English scientist named Thomas Jones wanted to answer a simple question. Is light a particle or wave? So he used two slides. If light were made of particle, we should see two bright lines. But instead, we see a pattern created by waves. Light behaves like a wave. Years later, physics asked a dangerous question. What if we repeat this experiment with electrons? First case, electrons pass through one slide at a time. We get one line, makes sense. Second case, we open both slides and we measure which slide each electron goes through. Two slides, two lines, still makes sense. Third case, both slides are open, but we do not observe which slide the electron goes through. And suddenly, a wave pattern, as if each electron passes through both slides at the same time. Now, here's the strangest part. The moment we add a detector, the wave pattern disappears. The system changes when it measures because measurement physically interacts with it. This brings us to a Schrödinger cat, a dog's experiment. A cat is placed in a closed box with a quantum event that has a 50-50 chance of happening. Until the box is opened, the cat is described as alive and dead at the same time. But because the system exists in multiple possible states until it's observed. That sounds familiar, right? Just like the electron in the double-slit experiment. Multiple possibilities, one observed outcome. The double-slit experiment doesn't prove that a Schrödinger cat is literally real, but it supports the same principle, quantum superposition. Maybe reality is constantly full of possibilities.
An observation selects one,
Or maybe it already happened.